It's not financial advice, not legal advice, and entertainment educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos I put them out. So you know I'm thinking, see, I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell you every day, the data they release us is false. When they give us a false narrative to markets, we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, everyone knows the banking industry is in turmoil. And I said in a previous video, I think like 4 months ago, that the rules that they changed in 2018 under the Trump administration that changed how the banks had to report. It changed the amount of money that was required for them to report. And that lack of supervision was why a lot of these banks were failing. They were able to take risks that in the prior administration would not have been allowed. And now it seems like these federal regulators are now blaming Congress for the banks failing. They're blaming Congress for First Republic Bank failing. Look what they're stating. They're stating a shift in the stance of supervisory policy impeded effective supervision by reducing standards, increasing complexity, and promoting a less assertive supervisory approach. Okay? Prior to 2018, there were a lot of things that these banks could not do. There were a lot of reporting requirements that they had to do. But in 2018, they erased a lot of those restrictions and the banks went wild. We have learned since 2008 that these bankers, these 1%ers cannot be trusted. So they need rules and regulations in order to stop them from stealing. And even when the rules and regulations are in place, if our regulatory agencies are not putting them in jail, is not fining them 10 or 20 times what they made from the crimes, they will not stop stealing. If someone steals $100 million and you fine them $1 million, that is not a deterrent from stealing. They will steal again tomorrow. I mean, it's absolutely outrageous what has been allowed to go on in our banking and securities industry. And yes, I agree with these federal regulators. Congress is to blame because Congress could have put rules in place that restricted what these bankers could do. And then they could have put people in a position of power who would really regulate these industries. And that is the main reason there's a lot of fraud and corruption in the securities market today, because there is no one who is willing to do their job and enforce the law. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that Congress is responsible for the bank failures because they allowed the banks to run wild in 2018? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.